Hello.
Alright, I'm thinking about your Vauxhall Astra.
Yeah, it's been sold, mate.
Well, you don't know you sold it to, do you?
You what?
The only thing is, right, I tell you, I've done mine in. The thing's been nicked. Mum and Dad are going to kill me, and I need a car like yours. Get the plates, swap them over. They won't even know, will they?
Griff.
Pardon?
Griff.
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 Come on here, Ma.
Hey?
No, the thing is, right, it's white, isn't it?
Yeah.
All that white, was it? Because mine's pretty white. I cleaned it, well, you know, Mum and Dad, I bought it for my birthday, but, you know.
Griffin. You can't blag me.
Pardon?
Pardon! It went from a Scouse accent to a French.
Come on, get, Mum, what are you talking at me?
Who is it?
Oh, come on.
Who is it?
Look, the thing is, do you know who you sold it to?
Do I know who I sold it to?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Well, you must have some my name or number, or, do you know what I mean? It's like, do you know when you put you know,
Hang on, is this a legit call?
what do you,
I'm thinking it's one of my mates, let me cross him out.
don't swear to me, son.
No, I know, I think it's one of my mates.
What do,
That's what I thought.
well,
First, is this somebody like inquiring properly?
well, what do you think I've rung you up for?
Like, are you from out of town?
Look, are you taking the no, no? This call's ringing from Thornton. This call's costing me money.
Oh, because I've been getting prank calls about it from a few of my mates, you see.
Look, that's my problem, is it? I don't think it is, do you?
Well, go on then. What do you want to know?
Oh, look.
Who sold it to? He lives down the
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it is. That's where it's gone.
What's his name then?
Aaron.
Aaron what?
I don't know his second name. It's called Aaron.
You sold a guy a car and you don't know his second name?
Yeah, Aaron.
His second name's Aaron?
No, his first name's Aaron.
Well, what happens if the police said who you sold it to and you say, oh, it's Aaron? No, the thing is, right, I can't knock on the door and say, oh, it's Aaron, and I'm coming about the car. She's not going to be too happy with me, is he? Like, if I
What
say...
exactly are you after? What are you exactly doing again?
Right. My car's been nicked and bombed on words, and I've sort of been... You what?
Yeah, go on, carry on there. Yeah, I'm listening.
Right. I thought you were saying oh, there, sorry. So, well, my mum and dad are going to be too happy because I never left a lock on it, did I? Don't you little click lock on your seat? It goes down... Well, I never put it on, I come high, do you know what I mean? Sometimes you can't, can you?
Yeah.
And it's been nicked.
Yeah.
The coppers around me up to go, oh yeah, some murders, and I bummed out though. Like, they got my number, the chassis number or something. So I was like, hey, mum and dad didn't kill me.
Yeah.
So, get your car, you know what I mean? Get some plates made up, I know Kira does them. And
That's where it'll be. I can find out his second name for you. I've got a number if you want to ring him.
yeah, if you could, yeah.
Yeah,
Are you still there?
right. You got a pen?
Pardon?
You got a pen?
Yeah, I got it.
1 6
Yeah.
3.
Alright, that...
Give him a bell and just say, Lisa to ring, just explain to him whatever.
Lee, that's... You're a good man, mate.
Alright, fella.
Alright, cheers.
Nice one.
Thanks, love. See ya. There's Aaron there.
Yeah, just hang on a minute.
Alright then, thanks.
Hello?
Hello there, is that Aaron?
Yeah.
Alright there, Lee told me to ring about the car, do you know what I mean?
You are?
The thing is, right, Lee, he said that I could have his car for 1,200. Now, he says he sold you it for $1,000.
That's right, yeah.
Thing is, what's the score, you know what I mean? He said I could have it, and now he sold it to you.
Yeah.
Do you reckon you'd be able to give me it for 1,200? Or what?
Well, I'll just pay for all my insurance and everything.
Oh, I'll take you back a bit, or what?
Pardon?
Thing is, I know that, I shouldn't be able to tell you this, but I know there's something in that car that I want.
Pardon?
I know that there's something in that car that I want, do you know what I mean? Right? How much was your insurance?
445 quid.
Right? Let's think about this, right? I didn't. 1,600. I'll give you 1,600 for it.
1,600?
Right? I can't really say too much, but I know that car, right?
Yeah.
And I put some in it a while ago. The Lee didn't know about it, but you know, that's why I wanted. That's why I was getting the money together, so I could get it off him. Now he says he sold it to you.
I see. So what,
Oh, mate, come on. 1,600. You're making some money on it, aren't you?
I know that, but I'll have to have a think about it and what. Have you got a phone number?
No, I've got my mobile, but you know, I'm getting it.
I'll have to have
Well, the thing is, right, alright then, right? If you can think about it, when can I ring you? I'll ring you, I'll be able to ring you back. When and what? Half an hour or something?
Well, can't I give you a ring?
No, I have to think I got my mobile, but I got to take it back tomorrow. It's for work. It's from work, you see.
Oh, I see, right, I'm with you, yeah.
I shouldn't even be on it now, actually.
Yeah, well, do you want to give me a ring tomorrow?
Yeah.
I mean, you're desperate.
Mate, you don't realise, I don't, the thing is, I don't want you to go through the car, do you know what I mean?
What do you mean?
I can't say, it's a bit, you know, it's a bit illegal, do you know, the thing, I've got some in the car, that's all I can say.
What, you got some doobie or something?
Look, I just can't really say too much, you know.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you know what mobile phone's like, don't you?
Yeah.
So if I give you a ring tomorrow, you think about it then?
Yeah, I'll have a think about it, yeah.
Alright then.
Alright.
Alright, cheers then, Aaron.
Alright then.
See you later, man.
See ya.
See ya.